The Art of War by Sun Tzu. Thus we may know that there are 5 essentials for victory. He will win who knows when to fight and when not to fight. He will win who knows how to handle both superior and inferior forces. He will win whose army is animated by the same spirit throughout all the ranks. He will win who prepared himself, waits to take the enemy who is unprepared. He will win who has the military capacity and is not interfered by the sovereigns above him. That's how Leeds are going to beat Millwall. In the past, nine times we've played them, and 8 times we've lost. And how have we lost? Because Millwall has always used brute force. There was some discussion on the groups about who's got the toughest fans. Is it Millwall or is it the Leeds? And there was one fellow writing and saying that down in Millwall we work on the docks and we've got muscles, whereas up in Leeds it's just an administrative centre and they're all pen pushers up there and they don't have any really tough fans. And the attitude of the fans is carried over to the players on the pitch. Millwall, they want to rough it up. They want to get in your face. They want to put in hard tackles. They want to block you. They don't want you to survive on the pitch. They'll hack you to bits. And what has Leeds done in the past? They've tried to match them. And it has never ever come out well. Never come out well. But with Bielsa, there's a new philosophy. It's a philosophy of creating space. That was one of the precepts of Sun Tzu as well. Control the space. And you give yourself an advantage in the game of war. And that's what Leeds have to do to win. Control the space. We'll have to make Millwall chase shadows. The ball will have to be moving about. Tick-tack, 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 tick-tack. And when the enemy is confused, they make bad decisions. I'll read you some more of Sun Tzu and his philosophy of the art of war. When the enemy is relaxed, make them move and toil. When they're full, starve them. When they're settled, make them move about. In war, we have to avoid what is strong and attack that which is weak. I love this one. Be extremely subtle, even to the point of formlessness. Be extremely mysterious to the point of soundlessness. Thereby, you can be the director of your opponent's fate. That's Bielsa on his bucket. He's being mysterious. The ancients said that the clever fighter is the one who not only wins, but excels in winning with ease. Remember Derby. Remember Stoke. How easy it was. How do we do that? That's the exact same thing that we need to do against Millwall. I don't know if we're the men to do it at the moment, since Barari is out. Roofe is out, I've heard. Bamford is out. Pablo Hernandez is out. So, but there are people coming in from the under-23s around Edmonton. A tank of a man, a big unit. Roberts, who's recently played for Wales. Adam Forshaw might be coming back. Izzy Brown. Ooh, that might be a good player for us if he's fit. Clarke. Give the boy a chance. He's been scoring goals for fun. So Sun Tzu summed it up by saying, the wise warrior avoids the battle. And I think that will be the key for Leeds against Millwall. You don't want to go in there and mix it up with them. You want to be shadows flitting across the park. The ball just moving in mysterious ways. Well, okay, let's have a Samuel Sayers chip and someone to score off it. It'd be nice to see that happening just once. But we don't want to mix it with Millwall. We want to play with finesse. And that's the only way that we'll win down there. Last season, that Millwall, it was a turning point in Leeds. How they got on for the rest of the season. After that, other clubs sort of emulated Millwall's style, and then we just lost a long series of games, and Thomas Christiansen, he lost confidence in his system, that he tried to change it around and go away from the high pressing game. So I really hope that Bielsa has a game plan for Millwall, and we don't go and try and play them at their own game. It's got to be different. I'll be satisfied with a draw, but a victory would be very sweet.